Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable accessibility on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, accessibility features enhance the overall user experience by providing tools and options that make navigating the device easier and more intuitive. And also, enabling accessibility features can improve usability, simplify interactions, and enhance the device functionality for all users. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, to begin, open please the settings menu on your device, and here scroll down to access the accessibility options. Okay, and within the accessibility settings, navigate to the interaction and dexterity menu. So here you can activate the assistant menu by pressing the designed button and then click allow to enable this feature. Well, once the assistant menu is activated, you can access a variety of accessibility tools by tapping on the icon displayed on the screen. This menu provides quick access to essential accessibility features, making it easier to navigate and use your device effectively. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable accessibility on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.